Hello everyone, today I'm going to make this Montessori ball drop box. This ball drop box is for 11 to 12 months old babies. During this period, your baby is starting to understand that when something disappears from his sight, it can still be there. At first, your baby probably won't want to put the ball into the hole at all. Letting your baby struggle with the ball drop box reinforces his understanding of object permanence. Parents should teach your baby how to play with it where it goes. Then your baby is more interested in banging the ball on the box. Here are all the pieces we need to make. Please be careful when you're cutting D and I, their dimension depends on cardboard thickness. My cardboard thickness was 2.5 mm. So D is like 180 by 180 minus 2 times 2.5, which is 180 by 175. Okay, then this is the case when your cardboard thickness is 4 mm. And if you don't want to be this precise, then maybe finding some fine box and cutting a hole could work very fine if there is a tilted floor. This is the section drawing. And this is how those parts are used. This is a bit tricky parts. This tilted thing is used for getting the ball to the exit hole, and J and K is guide for that. This is small tips. If you're cutting something, use metal ruler, not the plastic one, it could damage easily. When you're cutting cardboard, try to cut that with many strokes, not like single stroke with massive power. It could be dangerous and blade could go wrong direction. And of course be careful and don't cut yourself. When you're gluing them together, masking tape will help you a lot. I'm sealing with those paper edges with tape because I wanted to prevent paper cuts. Okay, this is the final product, and if you like this video, please subscribe and maybe thumbs up. Thank you very much.